UpMaid's Germicide RTU spray kills 99.9% of germs and viruses and protects against coronavirus. How and where to use Germicide RTU? For the most complete protection against dangerous germs, take care to disinfect frequently touched areas, including door handles, tabletops, and more. Hold the UpMaid Germicide spray bottle 6 to 8 inches from the surface and spray until the area is well covered. Leave the surface wet for 3 to 4 minutes so that the germs can be completely cleansed. Then, gently wipe with a cloth. Stay safe wherever you are with the eco-friendly, non-toxic, and 100% biodegradable UpMaid Disinfectant Spray. Certified and safe solutions, proudly made in Canada.